Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super important topic that can seriously boost your PC's performance: updating drivers in Windows 11. Whether you're dealing with a sluggish system, a new piece of hardware, or just want to keep your computer running smoothly, keeping your drivers up to date is key. So, let's get started. The easiest way to update your drivers is through Windows Update. So open the Windows Update page, check for updates. Windows will automatically search for the latest updates, including driver updates. If any are found, they'll download and install automatically. Easy, right? Occasionally, you may notice that certain driver updates and other updates are listed as optional. To access these, simply click on Advanced Options, and then select Optional Updates. From there, you can pick the driver updates you need and click Download and Install to get them set up. It's a quick and easy way to ensure your system stays up to date. For the most control, you can download drivers directly from the manufacturer's website. This is especially useful for graphics cards, printers, or other specialized hardware. Identify your hardware, like your GPU model or printer name. Go to the manufacturer's website, example, HP, Dell, Lenovo, and so on. Find the support or drivers section, download the latest driver for your device, and install it. This method ensures you get the most up-to-date and optimized drivers for your specific hardware. You can open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start button. In Device Manager, you can update and install drivers using either automatic or manual methods. The automatic method typically resolves most issues, but if it doesn't, you can manually update the driver. Most times, the driver will be updated, but if not, you'll be prompted to go to Windows Update. If you want to save time, you can use third-party driver update tools like iObit Driver Booster. These tools scan your system, detect outdated drivers, and update them with just a few clicks. You can automatically update over 15 million drivers and game components for stable system performance, and that's it. Updating your drivers in Windows 11 is super simple and can make a huge difference in your PC's performance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.